Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Hello Word, the podcast where we explore the fascinating world of English vocabulary one word at a time. I'm Alex, your host, and I'm so glad you're here. Today, we're diving into a powerful and versatile word, accumulate. This is a C1 level verb that means to gather or collect something over time. Whether you're an English learner aiming to enhance your vocabulary or a language enthusiast looking for fresh insights, you'll love exploring this word with me. Let's start by understanding the word accumulate more clearly. Imagine you're collecting coins, knowledge, or even clutter in your house. Over time, as these things build up, you are said to accumulate them. This word is perfect for describing gradual processes where things pile up, grow, or increase. Now, let's look at some synonyms. Words like gather, amass, and collect have similar meanings to accumulate. For example, you could say, she accumulated a large collection of books over the years, or he amassed great wealth through wise investments. Notice how these words fit naturally into different contexts, from casual to formal. On the other hand, let's explore antonyms of accumulate. Words like disperse, scatter, and diminish are opposites. For example, the wind scattered the leaves across the yard, or their savings began to diminish after a series of unexpected expenses. These words convey the idea of things breaking apart or decreasing, which contrasts with the meaning of accumulate. So, how do we use accumulate in everyday life? It's a great word for describing habits, achievements, and even challenges. For instance, you might say, it's important to accumulate good habits for a healthy lifestyle, or, over time, stress can accumulate if it's not managed well. It can also describe physical objects such as, dust tends to accumulate on shelves if they aren't cleaned regularly. Here are a few more examples to solidify your understanding. She has accumulated a wealth of knowledge in her field of study. The team accumulated enough points to secure a win in the championship. Over the years, they accumulated a beautiful collection of artwork. These sentences highlight how flexible and useful this word can be. To wrap things up, today we've learned that accumulate is a C1 level verb meaning to gather or collect over time. We explored its synonyms like gather, amass, and collect, as well as its antonyms like disperse, scatter, and diminish. We've also seen how this word can be applied in conversations about habits, challenges, achievements, and more. Thank you so much for tuning in to Hello Word. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support makes it easier for other language lovers to find us. Before you go, I'd love for you to create your own sentence using accumulate and share in the comments. I can't wait to see how creative you get. Until next time, keep learning, stay curious, and remember to share your words with the world. Take care.